In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a NordVPN server using the map or list on desktop or mobile. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and enter your credentials so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a clear home screen with a world map and a connection panel. This is where you'll choose your location and connect. If you prefer a visual approach, use the interactive map. On desktop, you can click and drag to move around the globe, and use your mouse wheel to zoom in. On mobile, simply pinch to zoom and swipe to navigate. As you zoom in, you'll see pins for different countries and, in many regions, specific cities. Click or tap on the country pin to select a general location, or zoom further to choose a particular city if you want more control over where you appear online. Picking a nearby city often gives you faster speeds, while selecting a specific city can help if you need local content or a consistent virtual location. If you like a more precise text-based method, switch to the list. You'll find a search bar and a list of countries. Type the name of a country or city to filter results quickly, or scroll to browse. Many countries have an expand option that reveals cities underneath. Selecting the country will automatically connect you to an optimal server there, while choosing a city targets that specific area. This is useful when you want predictable routing or are aiming for lower latency. Once you've chosen a location, either by clicking a country flag, a city pin on the map, or a city in the list, go ahead and connect. The app will show a brief status change as it establishes the tunnel. Wait for the confirmation that you're connected. You'll usually see a green indicator or a connected label. That's it. Your internet traffic is now encrypted and routed through the server you selected. A few quick tips as you connect. Closer locations typically mean faster speeds, while farther locations can help with accessing region-specific content. If a connection takes longer than expected, try picking a different city within the same country. And if you're on mobile data, give the app a moment. Network conditions can affect how quickly the connection is established. To recap, open the app, choose your location using the map or the list, and connect with a click or tap. With these simple steps, you can tailor your NordVPN connection to suit speed, access, and consistency.